Well, it's a beautiful fall day here in central Wisconsin on a lake. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be prepping these mounds for next year. I have 2 pumpkin squash patches, and we'll be taking some of the pumpkins and squash that we grew, and then also some decorative ones. We kind of rough chopping them up with axe or a hatchet. We're going to dig this out. I'm going to put all the organics in there, and by next year it'll be hopefully broken down enough to where we can recompost patches. Well, we've done some chopping, some squash chopping, pumpkin chopping. I have removed a lot of this dirt here from our mound hole, and what's pretty cool is you can still see some of the eggshells and some of the compost from last year. So really nice breakdown, really dark organic color, which is nice. And the chopped pumpkins and squashes will make a nice organic bed, and I'm just going to backfill in all the soil. Once we got the squashes in our hole, we'll just kind of tamp them down a little bit, and then we can start backfilling. For this mound, I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to go to the composter and get about 5-gallon bucket, maybe 2 5-gallon buckets worth of kitchen scrap compost for this one. All right, we're over here at the composter, and as you can see, a lot of eggshells, got some corn husks, all that good stuff. What we're gonna do first off is we're gonna turn this over. I got my trusty pitchfork here. Again, it's a beautiful day out, beautiful fall day out in the lake. So we're just gonna mix this up. And look at that really good black organic at the bottom. Now that's what we're looking for. A lot of microorganisms, microinvertebrates, macroinvertebrates. All right, we'll get some of this into a 5-gallon bucket, and we'll head back over to the squash mound. Got the compost in the hole here, and I also went down to the lake and I grabbed some very high nitrogen weeds from the shoreline. So that'll just be used to supplement the organics. Tamp this down a little bit, and we can go ahead and start backfilling the soil. And finally, we'll take about 5 gallons worth of mulch and spread it over, and this will bring a little bit of organics into the mix as well, but this will help retain moisture for next year. A little bit of weed control, a little bit of moisture control. So that is one prepped pumpkin bed for next year. Thanks for watching, everybody.